Myself, Shivamulya, I lead the quality engineering at the testing for Bupa in terms of a digital transformation. So we are focused not just functionally ensure system is stable enough. We started giving a lot of focus on the non-functional side of it, and that's where the accessibility came up. The biggest limitation we have faced, especially in testing a process, we've been doing quite a lot of accessibility testing using manual testing approach and use a number of tool sets with the large applications which involves hundreds and thousands of pages. So this process is quite slow, labor intensive, and this introduced significant risk around the quality. It lead to a lot of cost implications. It start becoming a roadblock for our speed. On top of that, if any defects were found, analyzing it, triaging them, providing a fix, retesting them, that took longer than expected. The accessibility toolkit brought full awareness of accessibility between the test engineers, development and design team. One of the key benefits while we adopted the BrowserStack testing was about the turnaround time, especially the reporting part of it. It's really helped us to distinguish what is new, what is old, what is that we need to focus on, and the detailed report comes back to it. Extremely helpful for developer perspective. It gives very good detail about the issue, how something can breach the WCAG standards, what specific element is causing the error, and on top of it, there's a tip to how to resolve it. We're able to roll out to the wide group with a very short period of time. One of the things I've observed was some of the underlying scan technology powered using the Spectra rule engine. We have managed to fix 50% of our accessibility issue in 3 months through a various release cycle. Those are quite advanced and accurate. A lot of our scan, when we compared with the other tools, we have seen the difference. What BrowserStack kit was providing. On top of this is another good outcome we have seen was amount of effort reduction. It's reduced for us at least 60 to 70% of the time. Having the BrowserStack accessibility or capability like this, it does all of them together would give you a one-stop solution. That's the benefit